Welcome to Aprende English Fácil, the podcast where you can practice your English listening skills with deep, interesting, and modern conversations. I'm Ethan.
And I'm Lily. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are going to discuss a topic that is literally everywhere right now. It is a question that makes millions of people feel anxious about the future.
Exactly, Lily. Today, we are asking, will artificial intelligence replace your job? Think about it. AI can now write articles, generate realistic videos, code software, analyze medical data, and even create art. So what is going to happen to us, the humans?
That is a scary but necessary question, Ethan. Many students ask us if learning a new language or a new profession is still worth it in 2026. Today, we want to look at both sides of the coin, the risks and the incredible opportunities.
Yes, this is going to be a fascinating debate. Before we dive into the details, please take a second to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and activate the notification bell.
And tell us in the comments right now, what is your job and are you afraid of AI? We want to read your opinions. Now, Ethan, let's start with the hard part. Which jobs are in immediate danger?
Well, Lily, history shows us that technology always replaces jobs that are repetitive and predictable. In the past, industrial machines replaced manual labor in factories. Today, AI is replacing repetitive mental labor.
Can you give us some specific examples of professions that are already changing fast?
Sure. Think about data entry clerks, basic customer service agents, and telemarketers. AI chatbots can now answer thousands of customer questions instantly, 24 hours a day, without getting tired or stressed.
That is true, and it's also affecting administrative jobs. For example, basic bookkeeping and sorting financial invoices. AI can analyze numbers and look for errors much faster than a human accountant.
Exactly. Another sector is translation and basic content creation. Simple, repetitive texts or translations can now be generated by AI in seconds.
Wow, that sounds alarming, Ethan. It feels like nobody is safe. If a machine can do all of that, why should companies hire humans?
That is the logical question, Lily. But here's the secret. AI is excellent at processing data, but it lacks something essential. It lacks empathy, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. AI can predict the next word in a sentence, but it doesn't understand what it feels like to be human. And that brings us to the jobs that AI absolutely cannot replace.
I love that term, Ethan. AI-proof jobs. These are the careers that are safe from automation. What makes a job safe?
A job is safe when it requires a high level of human connection, creativity, or physical adaptability. Let's look at healthcare, for instance. An AI can diagnose a disease by analyzing a medical scan, but it cannot care for a patient. It cannot hold an elderly person's hand or explain a difficult diagnosis with compassion. Nurses, doctors, and therapists are irreplaceable.
Absolutely. Empathy is a uniquely human superpower. What about the education sector, teachers and professors?
Exactly. AI can give you information, but a great teacher inspires you. A teacher understands your frustration, adapts to your personality, and motivates you when you want to quit. Education is about relationships, not just data delivery.
That makes me feel much better about our community here at Aprende English Fácil. And what about trades, like plumbers, electricians, or carpenters?
Oh, those jobs are incredibly safe, Lily. AI lives inside computers. For a robot to fix a broken pipe under a specific messy sink or to repair old electrical wires in a unique house, it requires advanced spatial awareness and physical problem solving that robots simply do not have yet. It is much easier to automate a lawyer's contract analysis than a plumber's daily work.
That is a massive paradigm shift, Ethan. So instead of thinking that AI will completely destroy all jobs, maybe we should think about how AI will change our jobs.
Precisely, Lily. There's a popular quote in the tech world that says, AI will not replace you. A human using AI will replace you.
Oh, I love that quote. It changes the perspective from fear to preparation. Can you explain how a professional can use AI as a tool instead of seeing it as an enemy?
Think of AI as an assistant, a co-pilot. Imagine you're a graphic designer. In the past, you spent hours editing a background or fixing small details. Today, you can ask AI to do those tedious tasks in 5 seconds. Now you have more time to focus on the big idea, the strategy, and the artistic concept.
Ah, so AI removes the boring, repetitive parts of our jobs so we can focus on the high-value, creative parts.
Exactly. If you're an architect, a writer, or a programmer, AI can help you create a first draft very quickly. But the final product always needs the human eye to add quality, style, and correctness. AI gives you speed, but humans give you soul.
So, Ethan, if our listeners want to be successful and competitive in the future economy, what skills should they focus on developing right now?
The most important skills today are soft skills and technological adaptability. First, soft skills: communication, leadership, negotiation, and teamwork. These are things AI cannot simulate effectively. If you're great at managing people and solving conflicts, you'll always have a job.
And what about technological skills? Do we all need to become computer programmers?
No, not at all. But you need to be curious. You need to learn how to use AI tools in your specific field. It's called prompt engineering, learning how to ask AI the right questions to get the best results. If you combine your professional knowledge with AI efficiency, you become unstoppable.
And let's not forget the importance of learning English, Ethan. Almost all the cutting-edge AI technologies, documentation, and global businesses are developed in English. Speaking English allows you to learn about these tools before anyone else.
That is a crucial point, Lily. English is the operating system of the modern global economy. Learning English is one of the best ways to AI-proof your future.
Wow, Ethan, what an eye-opening conversation. Let's summarize the main points for our audience. AI is automating repetitive, data-heavy tasks. Jobs that require empathy, human connection, and physical adaptability are completely safe. The future belongs to people who use AI as a tool to enhance their creativity. Developing soft skills and learning English are the best investments for your career.
Perfect summary, Lily. Change can be scary, but it also opens doors to incredible new possibilities. Don't fear the future. Prepare for it.
Well, that's all for today's episode of Aprende English Fácil. Thank you so much for practicing your English listening with us today.
If you enjoyed this debate, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with a friend or a coworker.
Remember to leave your comment below telling us your thoughts about AI. We love reading your insights.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care.